This is good lighting. This is our hotel room. Nice bathroom. We already unpacked. This is how we do. We're gonna go figure out some stuff to do in this area. Hello everyone, if you're new, my name's Taylor. Don't forget to subscribe. We're gonna be filming this weekend just for funsies, just for the memes, because why not? We're in Rhode Island. Beach vibes, beach moment. Gonna go do some exploring. But yeah, the hotel's really nice. Very pleased with it. Welcome to a weekend vlog in my life. No, welcome to a vlog weekend in my life. Let's just get it on. Let's just party. It's my mom's birthday today. We're gonna party and have some fun. Mom wants to go kayaking on her birthday. We pull up to a yacht club. Let's do it. We're out on the town. It is the cutest thing ever. It's so cute. I love it. Got a cute little jumper on from a boutique. Good morning, guys. We ended up switching rooms yesterday because it was so hot in the other room when we got back. So we're in a room with air conditioning. Yes, I still watch SpongeBob. Please judge me. I'm like definitely a chaotic mess unless I unpack, and I did unpack in the last room, but now I'm just giving up. We went to breakfast this morning, got a little coffee, a little complimentary breakfast at the hotel. Last night we ended up going to two places for dinner. I didn't feel like recording because I was just hungry and wanted to enjoy. Today we're going to the beach and I'm so excited. So I got this Skims suit in the mail. I ordered it when they went on sale with their second launch. I am pumped. These are the high-waisted or mid-waist bottoms and the top that has this little logo on the center. I'll leave everything in the description. But these did sell out so many times. I don't know if they're still on sale. I'm a little nervous. They look like a little cheeky moment. Oh wait, this is the front. But yeah, I'm gonna try it on and we're gonna head to the beach. All right, we're ready for the beach. I'm wearing my No Hype Paula's Choice hat. I wear this all the time. This is just like a little crochet top and some shorts. They're like linen shorts. The bathing suit actually looks super cute. I'm very pleased. At first I was a little thrown off because the seam is like very intense. I'm also bringing a little beach bag of stuff, so I have a change of clothes for later. We might go kayaking. So I got that, a little snack. We're bringing sandwiches. I'm also bringing my Rare Beauty bucket hat. I haven't worn this yet. I got this in a PR package, but it's like terry cloth. It's perfect for when I get my hair wet. We are back from the beach. I'm getting dressed and this is literally me all the time. I'm pulling off new tags of things. I don't know what it is, but every time I go on a trip, I'm like, I have to wear something new. I always want to overwear my new stuff. So I'm wearing this little tank from, I think I got it at TJ Maxx or Marshall's, but it's by the brand Truth. I really love this brand, and this is also something that I've been overwearing. I am 1000% turning into a coastal grandmother. I'm obsessed with crochet things right now. I have my mid-thigh shorts from Levi's. These are the 501 high-waisted mid-thigh shorts. So I'm pretty much ready for the rest of the day. Definitely got some color, kind of in weird spots, but we're okay with that. I actually filmed a TikTok video last night or yesterday filming what I wear on my lids, and everyone was like hating on me because I'm gatekeeping product, but that is just what TikTok is for. So I want to show you guys what I have on my lids. I don't even know if this is a good angle, if you can see it. It's like that shimmery glossy lid. I went to Sephora and swatched a bunch of products to figure out what would actually stay on my lid for a long period of time, and these are the two products that I'm using. So this is the Milk Makeup primer. I really like this stuff so far. Milk Makeup really does an amazing job with these type of products. And the Fenty Beauty How Many Carats, I think it's called. This is like $40, but you can wear it as like a body glitter or as a highlighter. This is what it looks like, and using this primer really locks it in to stay in your lid. I have pretty oily eyelids, so this really does help out my dynamic duo for the summer. And we're gonna just get ready to go walk around the town, we might hit up a TJ Maxx or Marshalls. If you know me, you know that's my obsession. But I'm just gonna let my hair air dry because it is so hot out and it's definitely like a beach town vibe. I'm just gonna wear flip-flops, super casual. This is a life hack. Bring veggies and your favorite dip to a hotel because I don't know about you guys, whenever I'm away from home, I always tend to snack like chips and just be bad. Count me in. This was a fail for me, although this does feel like Skims, but it's $13, I don't know. We're shopping, just had some lobster rolls, insert picture here, so good. This is where I'm meant to be. This makes me realize how I want a boat someday. It's beneficial. Literally just sitting here by myself waiting for my mom. I have an awful pimple. It's gross. Just ate breakfast and we're going to a flea market in Providence. Very excited. I got this hat at TJ Maxx. True Religion, $6. What a steal. Best of the best. You know. So we're home, but I wanted to show you guys another thing I picked up from TJ Maxx. I know I showed you guys the hat from True Religion. I'm like literally shocked that I got that hat for so cheap. But I actually found this in the like intimates, lingerie, like where you find your bras, underwear and stuff like that. I found this in that department. It is a jumper. This angle is probably not doing it justice, but it's like the Aritzia Wilfred jumper by the brand Mango, which is actually located outside of the UK, and I got it for $12.99. It was originally like 30 pounds. Really excited about it. I have a pile of laundry that I have to put away. It is the next day. It's Monday, so I'm just getting ready for my work day. Honestly, had such a great weekend. I don't know how many clips I got, but it was nice just to get away and be on the coast. Usually I get home from trips and I'm like, oh, I'm happy to be home, but sometimes it's just nice. But sometimes you just need a little vacation longer than a couple days. I also came home to a cute package from Kiss. They make like fake eyelashes. I don't really wear fake eyelashes, but like it's just I guess good to have on hand. Actually, I think the last time I wore fake lashes was at a wedding and then I wore them at a Halloween party. I feel like it's just nice to have them. I don't wear them every day and these are like pretty dramatic, but just good to have them on hand for like friends too to use them if they want. But that is it for this vlog. I hope you guys all enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I have so much to do today, a long work day, and I gotta put away my clothes right now before my work day starts. Again, thank you guys so much for watching and I'll talk to you all next time. Bye.